Hello everyone. This is the first video which is we're gonna make, and this the first video in terms of the showing the website which we have made by hosting provider Firebase and the online chat app. This whole the room makes looks like this the main chat. The people can chatting and send their own messages. At first, before they send it to this place, they will sending to the first page, which they will register or logging in by their nick and by their password. And there's a leaderboard who send more messages, and there's a 5 mile, and there's even the people individuals can create their own rules and their own and create room. For example, there's a gangster room, and so on. For example, there's individual's room and the individual uh, leaderboard for the individual room, each of the room, and there's a 5 map, so we just like trying to make something or something like that. I couldn't understand, like they can capture the territories and they will maybe like get the money, and there's a leaderboard who get more territories at this moment, and like that. So and so on. So that's it. Maybe that was just a quick show. So without going to the construction which hold the now we're gonna testing the whole by registering to the sites by different accounts. I operate the different window and we'll register it by different nicknames now as the different user. That's just pure simple by registering the nicknames and passwords. Just for example, like registering some no passwords 123. Register it. And second one makes what will be Cola and 100. Oh, sorry, 123. Register. So the both of them is registered successfully. So now the both of them, and we can send the message and see the whole that on snapshot. So it means that we working this chat working on the real time. That send the message by the account of the first users. For example, hello, hello everyone. Mistake. Here's the send. I send by there. So this is the first the users. This message is emphasized by green, and the whole also comes from this message comes to the second users too. Let's write down something in the name of second user. And it after the amount of time it comes to the first name users. So everyone or they can join and so on and so forth. And also we got there's a leaderboard. We are the most active users or the messages also added. We are the last we having the last because since we only just registered, so there's some other accounts which is get the 17 messages. So it's for the first user also will also be capture, and there's a system which is command you can capture and expose it and getting the capture the mob. Actually, this seems a bit unconstructed since it's just like it must be like chat app on at the time. It's like something like pixel land or something. Since at the first time we just try to seeing it how it work. And I think that that's interesting. Maybe at this point there's also the report who was it counting how much territories someone get and some. For example, there's an example of the getting captured. Yes, and for the just they assume that we will do that first. The member or user will be captured capture, and second user will see it hold to be appeared from this Islam. Let's see. Let's, for example, we're gonna write down. Come on, cap. 10 certain certain extent. And where is it happened? Oh, here is the jaw. Wait, I couldn't see where is it. Wait, what? My cola. Where is my? Ah, here is it. Here is my. This just appeared here. This with Willow. This Hola, and if I curse it, there is my name Hola, and Hola. I got uh, the first place in only have one territories here, and also everyone else can show. So how much the progress do they have all by air and by speed, and so also we can create code rooms and create new rooms with together with that or members. For example, let's create it like create room boomer. Let's write something. There is no any the activity yet, since that most users activity says no activity, since there's just created new room and there is no data at all. So, for example, this or second member will be joined to this room. Go to room. There's already created the boomer. Just open it. Here is the message of the first member, and we will answer it here. Answer it here and right. Oh, mistake. Just the message comes to the first member. That is leaderboard. All the all data that the first the was we have both of them have one message. Always the first place, and so that's it. We go back to the chat base. Can go. So that's it. That I want to show.